Hello friends, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you get notified for my every new video.
Hello friends, my name is Raghvendra and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you stages of construction project, which is very important for all the civil engineer. So I request you to watch this video till end so you don't miss anything. Is the initial stage. In the initial stage there is some points. First is the concept and feasibility studies. We can say that it is used to determine the viability of an idea. Whatever the idea we have taken, we just see that whether it is viable or not, such as ensuring a project is legally and technically feasible. Check the feasibility legally, technically, economically, whether it is feasible or not. The next stage is formation of project strategy. So project strategy is a plan of action designed to achieve a long-term or overall aim. So we can say it is a part of project planning. So next stage is finalization of scope of work, specification, preliminary engineering and design, and then the finalization of contract document, GCC, SCC, BOQ and preliminary estimate. So all these things we finalize the contract documents for the tendering. We can say that the tender documents. So this is the initial stage of the project. Now I am going to next one. Is the tendering and contracting stage. So tendering and contracting stage, there is some points. The floating of tender. First of all, after completion of tendering, we completion of the tender documents, we float the tenders to the vendors. And next is evaluation of tender. Evaluation of tender is done by the contractor. First of all, he evaluate the tender and fill the tender, and then after the evaluation and filling the tender, he submit the tender to the client. After getting the tender documents, the client evaluate it now, and then they call the technical and commercial negotiation meeting. Next one is, or we can say that the finalization of the award of contract. So after that we finalize the contract and award to this contract to the contractor, selected contractor. So these are the points. This is the tendering and contracting stage. And this is the execution stage. Generally the people who are involved in the execution, so they involve in this stage, the third stage. This is the execution stage. Maybe actually the execution stage is a long stage, and maybe 2 or 3 years or 4 years depending on the project capacity. Or so I am going to the explain the execution stage. Preparation of execution plan. First of all, the planning engineer, they prepare the execution plan, the schedule, all these things they prepare. And then the mobilization stage. The mobilization stage means the contractor mobilize their machineries, their staff, their materials, all these things. So this is the mobilization stage. Next one is construction stage. In this construction stage, now we construct the building. They started the construction, and this is the main stage, we can say that, of the project. And last of the execution stage is finishing and services stage. In this, the electrical, plumbing, firefighting, HVAC, etc. This is done. So this is also the part of the execution stage. Without that, the building is incomplete. And now we move to the next one. we can say that the last one, the post construction stage. After constructing the project, what we do, that handing over the project to the client or the customer directly. So this is the handing over stage. Next one is defect liability period. Defect liability period for the contractor. So in this period, the contractor do the all the rectification of that project. And last one is operation or utilization of stage. And this is the operation or utilization of stage. Actually, operation or utilization of stage is started before the sometimes before the defect liability period we handing over, and the operation or utilization is started, and then defect liability period started. Sometimes it happened that handing over not done, so the defect liability period has started already. So this time it may be some changes may be happen. So these are the stages of the construction which I elaborate here. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel and share the video with your friends also.